Hey guys, I'm going to do something experimental today. I got these pretty little branches, and I'm going to, now if you look at, let's see, this one, you can see all these little loops on here. There's like 6 or 7 of them on here, see? Can you see? And I think I'm going to I cut them off this one. I cut them off to try to, it's just going to do this. But I think instead, I'm just going to put the two together like that. And then put these pretty little jewels. I'll put the link below for all this stuff on them, like that. But for the background, I'm going to try something. I'm going to put clear resin in here. And then I'm going to make like a little bit of, mix these in all these different cups with a little bit of resin, and I'm just going to drop them into the clear resin. And then I'm going to do this before I put this stuff on there. Okay? And so the top will be the front, because this is not a shiny mold. I'm having a lot of problems with shiny molds. I don't know if they all lose their shine. Some of them come that way, and I had a dispute with a seller on Amazon, and they sent me one to replace the 3 that I had bought. I bought 3 sets. Anyway, it's too complicated. But anyway, they sent me one to replace the 2 that I really needed. And it has a flaw in it, so I don't recommend buying these. Anyway, these are the colors I'm going to use, and I will put all these links below. Okay, so I'm just going to do that, and then rest these in there. I should be able to do that without them sinking. If one of these sinks, then I will just wait and let it dry, and then I'll glue them on. Okay? All right. I will see you later. Okay? it.